सीनियर एडवोकेट और राज्यसभा के एमपी कपिल सिब्बल ने नौजवान वोटर्स से बड़ी तादाद में वोट देने की अपील की। उनका कहना था कि 2019 के मुकाबले इस बार के इंतखाबात में अवाम में गैर मामूली जोश व खरोश देखा जा रहा है। अवाम को अपने हक़ राय दही का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए।
All young voters to come out and vote. It's very important for the country that you exercise your franchise, and that way you demonstrate to the country and to the party that is in power as to how you're exercising that franchise, and that message must go. Whoever is in power, that message must go. So I appeal to everybody to come and vote.
You have been a member of parliament from Delhi itself twice. So how do you see and how are you seeing the Delhi enthusiasm towards the voting and towards the
very muted enthusiasm. I think part of the reason is that we are at a weekend where people may have gone out. Part of the reason is that this is happening when I think the sun is very strong, and people don't like to come out and vote. So, and then there is a lack of interest. There is a lack of enthusiasm. In 2019 it was different, but in 2024 it seems to be different. But I don't know what the outcome will be.
Sir, Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that attempts are being made specifically for those areas where the India bloc is strong to slow down the voting. How do you see this?
I don't want to, make any statements regarding that because I'm not on the ground, and these allegations are made in various parts of the country as well. So some of them may be true, some of them may not be true. It's difficult for me to comment on it. All that I can say is that people should exercise their franchise with an open mind in the context of what has happened in the last 10 years, and then decide which way you want to vote. That's all that we can say, and this includes many, many issues, right? But the saddest part, which I want to record and hope it reaches the people through you, is that the kind of abuse and the kind of vitriol, the kind of poison, the kind of statements that are being made without the Election Commission doing anything about it. If the Commission, which is an institution, overlooks these things, then our democracy is in jeopardy.
So ECI has also said something on this regard, that at this particular time the petitioners approaching Supreme Court regarding the EVMs is